Okay, what we're going to be doing right now is we are going to be looking at the shuttle run for Tyler, and we're going to be explaining how our software works here. What you're going to see is me timing Tyler in the shuttle run. It's the 5, 10, 5, and you're going to see me make a mistake on the timing, but you'll also see a digital stamp at the bottom of the screen that will give us an accurate time. So first we're going to go in full speed. And so here goes Tyler. And you may or may not have heard me make a premature snap on the final cone there, and it was my position was off. I was standing behind him, so it looks like I made a little bit of a bad snap. But fortunately for us with the software, what we can do is take a really good look at it, and the way that things would move are going to be on movement during a combine. So Tyler's got his hand up, and we can see right here when he starts to move. And so in all earnest, that's going to be his first move is going to be right about there. And so, and you heard me snap that, and that wasn't bad. But what we're going to do is we're going to set what's called an in marker right there, and that's going to memorize that point. And now, of course, we'll just go forward, and you'll hear me. I just made the snap right there, and I made the snap already, and so that means that I've missed. And we're going to step forward. We've got 30 frames per second. And right there is where he's going to break that line. So we're going to do an out point right there. And if you look at the number that's over here, you can see that that is a 420. So 4 seconds and 20 frames per second. 20 frames per second is actually the camera's taking 30 frames per second. So what we do over here is we can come in and drop in a 20, and you'd see that he actually ran a 466. So as he was timed on the field, we timed him at a 447. So there's a big difference between a 447 and a 466, but this gives us a very accurate, an accurate understanding of how he's running it, and it'll allow us to go back and look at areas for opportunity for him to get that number down. And 466 is still a good number.